दिस इज नॉट जस्ट फॉर यू किया मैंने, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम सेइंग। हाँ, तो लास्ट सेमेस्टर का मेरा ऑलमोस्ट $3,000 वे हुआ था, क्योंकि लास्ट में हाँ
I'm Harshita and I'm from Assam.
Like come to US to do your undergrad?
मैंने जैसे बोला रिसर्च किया था, तो लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल्स में जाके जब देखा तब ऑल द पेस ग्रेजुएट्स हैड मोर इंटर्नशिप्स एंड पार्ट टाइम जॉब्स देन अदर स्टूडेंट्स.
Happens in Inspire?
इंस्पायर इज लाइक करियर कोचिंग, सो वो लोग आपका लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल एंड देन रेज्यूमे वो सब देख के दे सेट यू अप सो दैट यू कैन अप्लाई टू.
The cost of living?
कॉस्ट ऑफ लिविंग अभी के लिए मैं बहुत कम में चल रही हूँ अभी. 1,000 to 1,200.
like if you ask anybody here about their room rents, they are paying like around $500, $600.
Yeah.
So I'm paying only $350.
Everyone, thanks for taking out time and sharing your views and experience about studying at Pace University, both Sachin and both of you, both at masters and at undergrad level.
Thank you so much, Piyush. It was nice talking to you.
Yeah, definitely.
If you are planning to study in the US, watch the video until the end and subscribe to the channel.
Hi Harshita. Hi, I'm Piyush. Hi, nice to meet you. Please come inside. I know it's a little bit raining outside. He's Sachin.
Hi.
Harshita.
You are from PACE?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. I was graduated from PACE in May. So you are pursuing master?
No, I'm bachelor's.
Are you studying
Oh,
bachelor's here?
yeah.
Ah, okay, nice. Why don't we have a seat here and have a conversation? Yeah, because we've already gone around the campus and every building is closed today.
We spoke a lot. It's your time to give some insight.
So thanks Harshita. Now we have an undergrad student also from
Yeah.
Pace University. अभी तक हम लोग सचिन से बात कर रहे थे, अपनी मास्टर्स इन साइबर सिक्योरिटी की स्टोरीज शेयर कर रहे थे. तो हर्षिता थोड़ा सा इंट्रोड्यूस करो अपने आप को. Where are you from in India and what were you doing there and how did you why did you choose Pace University? क्या पढ़ रहे हो? थोड़ी अपनी कहानी
Okay,
सुनाओ.
yeah. So I'm Harshita and I'm from Assam.
Assam. Oh, wow, very good.
So
where in Assam?
Assam, Duliajan. It's near Dibrugarh.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm from Duliajan and I came here to do my bachelor's in business economics.
Did your 12th from Duliajan?
हाँ, वहीं से किया. हम लोग का DPS था उसमें.
DPS में.
तो DPS से किया और उसके बाद I came here and I've been here for I think 3 months now. Yeah, this is my first semester. Yeah.
शुरू
हाँ, अभी शुरू.
अभी तो बिल्कुल पार्टी टाइम चल रहा है, ओरिएंटेशन हुआ है.
Yeah, first year. I told him.
पार्टी करिए.
पहले साल, yes.
But good. So you are so what subjects did you have in 12th class?
I was in arts.
In arts?
Humanities, yeah.
Humanities.
So I had economics and maths.
But maths था.
हाँ, maths था. Maths चाहिए most like for the most class. I can take maths again if I didn't have हो जाता, but it's easier to get in with maths, yeah.
नहीं तो good है that you are having a base in mathematics. Which
Yeah.
is good. So how much did you score, if I may ask, in 12th?
Yeah, sure. 12th I had like I think 85 to 86%.
86%.
Yeah.
Marks. That's very good. And you were in CBSE board?
Yes, CBSE.
CBSE board. BPS है तो CBSE board.
हाँ,
है.
CBSE
So
board.
very good school, CBSE board, very good marks. And why did you choose US to do your undergrad?
Mainly because financial city है.
हाँ.
Obviously, like I'm taking business econ, so यहाँ में exposure बहुत ज़्यादा है उसका. And this college also hosts a lot of events that help you.
हाँ.
So वो सब LinkedIn में profiles देख के check करके वैसे ही choose किया था.
पूरा रिसर्च करा अपना and then you
Research
decided कि
किया.
Pace University में business economics में bachelor's करेंगे.
हाँ.
And which other universities did you apply for?
I applied to ASU and I think NYU or I'm forgetting others.
ASU में admission आ गया था?
हाँ, ASU में आ गया.
ये भी इसका भी
Yeah,
है. Sachin
I
also
already
had
got
an
it
ASU
there.
admit,
Okay.
but he also picked Pace University.
But they
Yeah.
didn't have the cyber in
Oh.
master, so
Oh yeah, I got into NYIT too.
NYIT.
Yeah.
So and then you picked Pace University.
Yeah.
And what was that you found better at Pace as compared to other universities that you got admission in?
First, definitely location.
Location.
That's established. And more than that, मैंने जैसे बोला research किया था, तो LinkedIn profiles में जाके जब देखा तब all the PACE graduates had more internships and part-time jobs than other students. And also few other universities बोला था कि जब alumni से बात किया बोला था कि ज़्यादा online classes थे rather than offline. So I didn't want that. So PACE.
So you wanted more offline classes.
Yeah.
जो कि Pace University
Yeah,
offers.
yeah, they provide.
Most classes are in person.
Yeah.
More internship opportunities, more job opportunities.
Yeah.
Location तो बहुत ही amazing है, no
Yeah.
doubts about that. And of course it's a popular university as well. So Overall, तो good choice, happy for you. And अभी 3 months हो गए यहाँ पर.
हाँ.
Right, as bachelor student, you find that there are a lot of international students who start coming here for bachelors.
Yeah, there are international students. We have a communication group, international students communication group. तो वहाँ में every I think Friday and Thursday होता है, and all international students gather there to talk about their experiences.
And how would you say that, you know, not just you but other international students, how are they finding Pace University?
It's good actually. It's really good. हाँ, तो and especially international students के लिए हम लोग का एक program है Inspire, and we get a lot of exposure from that and learn a lot.
What happens in Inspire?
Inspire is like career coaching. So वो लोग आपका like LinkedIn profile and then resume वो सब देख के they set you up so that you can apply to jobs and like
अभी तो
internships.
3 महीने हुआ यार, 3 महीने में तो बिल्कुल रेडी कर रहे हैं. That's very good
हाँ.
actually. Earlier
Yeah.
you start, the better it is. And knowing what all career opportunities are possible, earlier you are able to discover.
Yeah, definitely.
And you know, decide what direction you can definitely be better prepared. So that is good. So अभी तो 3 months हुए हैं. So what are some of the biggest shocks you got? कि आसाम की लड़की सीधा न्यूयॉर्क आ गई. Had you been to US before?
No, never.
Never.
This is my first time.
तो सीधा न्यूयॉर्क में लैंड हुए.
हाँ.
क्या शॉक लगा?
Definitely the city shock.
हाँ.
वो तो हो गए because आसाम में भी I was from Duliajan, so that is countryside और ये तो वो definitely था और लोग बहुत different हैं. तो वो एक है. And yeah, and there are a lot of cultures here to explore. वो बहुत अच्छा लगा कि सिर्फ अमेरिकन ही नहीं, I am exposed to a lot of different cultures. So अच्छा है.
एंड अंडरग्रेड में तो और ज़्यादा
हाँ.
इंटरनेशनल एंड
Yeah.
मतलब बहुत सारी डिफरेंट कम्युनिटीज.
Yeah, undergrad में है.
Sorry to interrupt you guys. Like, I just want to add one point. So, cultural shock and all the stuff. Like, मैं जहाँ पे job कर रहा हूँ.
Check out the full video on my YouTube channel. Also, connect with me on social media platforms for more tips and updates.